So in today's video, I'm going to show you this free indicator that you are going to use to be profitable if you are consistent in using it. The free indicator is going to help you to be profitable in the market and also generate you a very high unique amount of money. Now, looking at the market at my screen right now, you can see so many series of break of structure and the change of character. This was because of the indicator. Now I'm going to show you how to apply this indicator and how to grow from a low income stream into a high income earner as far as trading is concerned. So now let's start. So you are going to go to your indicator forum. If you want to apply this indicator, you go to indicator forum and okay, this is it here. This is our indicator forum here. You click on it. Click. Okay, yeah. Let's hold on a bit. You can fast forward this side because okay. Now these are lists of my indicators that I already promoted to the like option. Now the most liked of them is this particular one over here. This is what we call SMC structure and LVG by Ludo GH68. We also have this one, smart money concept by what? Lux Argo. You guys know Lux Argo, the famous Lux Argo. Yeah, but we are going to be using this particular man. Once you search about it, you're going to see it in the indicator forum. You're going to see it there. SMC structure and LVG. Now I'm going to show you the settings, how to set it, how to do everything about it, and how to trade with it, when to trade with it, and everything, the risk management and everything you need to know. And I'm also going to show you how to combine it from the 4-hour time frame down to the daily time frame or any time frame of your choice. So after inputting in that, you come to this place, you click on it, you click on the setting. Network is a bit disturbing. From our settings, you can see my setting. So you can be able to screenshot it now and apply them. You can be able to screenshot it and apply them to yours. I remove the LVG. So you can see my bullish break of structure color is black and my bearish break of structure is also black. The same thing goes to the change of character. The bullish is black and the bearish is black. Now this is the current structure color. This particular current structure is to show you the current market in which we'll be more interested in. Others are history. We are more focused on the current market. If you like, you can be able to input your Fibonacci to help you know when we are in premium or discount. Remember, we sell at premium and we buy at discount. Okay, now let's continue. Press of OK. Now this is GJ. I was able to cut this particular entry on GJ. Let me show you the entry. Okay, I was able to cut this particular move on GJ and UJ on, I think that was on Friday. This move here. Let me show you. I entered exactly. All these are my entry. Yes, it was a sniper entry. I was able to cut this move. I'll show it to you guys on my screen right now to see it. And my stop loss was above there. I was able to use this particular indicator to be able to find this particular move. My TP was supposed to be down here. This is where my TP was supposed to be, but based on it was Friday and I need to hurry up and close the market. because I don't normally prefer holding my trade to the next weekend because I'm not a swing trader. This was what we have here, and also the same move happened in this thing, UJ. Let me show you guys. Where is UJ? The same thing happened in UJ. Let's see if it's going to open. Okay, yeah, you can see it here. You can see it. This blue tick is the current structure. This blue tick and this blue tick is the current structure. So now, thank you. Now you can see it exactly. The same thing happened in UJ, but I didn't trade this because I was only focused on one particular pair. That was why I wasn't. I didn't trade this particular setup, but I did took the one of GJ. Now, how are we going to combine that? How was I able to figure out that particular setup? Let's begin. First of all, we're going to start with our 4-hour time frame. In our 4-hour time frame, remember the strategy. You guys already know our strategy. We are not changing strategy. Our strategy remains the same. Everything remains the same. This indicator will just help you to mark out a valid change of character or break of structure only. I do not use this indicator for any other thing apart from change of character and break of structure. Now, looking at it from the 4-hour time frame, you can see how clear everything is. You don't need no noise. From here, you can see break of structure to the upside, 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 break of structure to the upside. Now, this is our double bottom, our double top, so, or you can see it as a liquidity sweep. It can be seen as a liquidity sweep. Now, apart from this particular liquidity sweep, you can see now this is our change of character from here. And this is our current break of structure. After a change of character, showing that we are already changing direction to the downside. Then here comes our what? Here comes our break of structure to confirm the continuation of the market trend. You understand? So now, while seeing this particular man in the 4-hour time frame, I estimated that okay, let's go down to the 15-minute time frame to know if you're going to see more trading opportunities. In the 15-minute time frame. Then going back down to our 1-hour time frame. Let's see. Let's work. Okay. In our 1-hour time frame, you can see this already. Remember, we are working on the current structure. This trade, I took this trade earlier, so this is the current structure. After seeing this particular break of structure to the downside, a new change of character being formed. Then I was able to place my sell limit over here. Now, why was I able to place that sell limit over there? Some people might be saying that because it's a change of character, I should buy from this particular place. Remember, we are still selling. In the higher time frame. The higher time frame says sell. So me buying is just like risking it. So I prefer more opportunities of a sell than plenty opportunities of a buy. So this was how I was able to do what? To wait for this sell formation. After seeing this in our daily time frame, in our 1-hour time frame, this was where the market was when I was able to analyze it. The market was there, I think. What's going on? Network is disturbing me. I want to show you guys where the market was. But apart from that, let's continue. Let's go down to a 15-minute time frame to see something. Okay, now you can understand what I mean. In our 15 time frame, this is what I saw here. I saw this break of structure. Market was in this exactly this particular place. I analyzed this chart in the night stroke early morning. Market was in this particular direction when I analyzed the chart. Yes, and after doing the analysis, price changed character for this particular direction, and I expected it to react to this particular place and start selling. Why? Just because we are in a bearish momentum, we're in a bearish movement. That was why I was able to start selling the market. Some people might be able to catch this buy trade. You'll be lucky if you caught this buy trade. You'll be lucky. Up to here. Oh yeah, that is 1:2, 1:3. Then you put this one, let me say below here. That is 1:3. And you will smash your TP. Before this can be the counter trading. This can be the counter trading before entering the main market trend the movements from here down to this side. You understand? So now remember what I say about this indicator. Use it for clarity in the market in a 4-hour time frame and down to our 1-hour time frame, down to our 15-minute time frame, which is our entry time frame. If we are selling, if we are bearish in the 4-hour time frame, we need to be looking for more of a sell position in our 15-minute time frame. Not because we are selling in our 1-hour time frame, in our 4-hour time frame, and the 15-minute time frame looks like it's buying, then we'll not start looking for a buying position. No. We are going to be patient and we are not going to risk anything at all. Okay, I think I'm done with this video with this only. I don't want this video to be long with this thing. Add this indicator and thank me later. You can also use this indicator to analyze for your own good. You analyze it and you see what the market are for us or what the market are for you. So now let's clear everything here and do our fresh analysis with this indicator. 4-hour time frame. What does the 4-hour time frame have to say? For our 4-hour time frame, we'll be going down, small. In a 4-hour time frame, we are still bearish. This is our target here. Because also the fair value gap over there, that is our target, and with our Fibonacci 2, is in the premium area, so that is our target, but it's unrealistic for price to come to this particular place sharp. It's not realistic. So 2-hour time frame, what do we have? That is our connect structure. 2-hour time frame, we have our current structure down here. Remember, the current structure is this particular blue man over here. This man and this man shows the current structure. So in our current structure, what do we have? We have a break of structure here and price created liquidity. This is liquidity. This is a point of interest. Okay, so we're expecting price to do what? To take off from here. We are expecting price to take up from here, up here, and continue selling. Or there's always an or. You should take off from here, break this man, and buy up to this man over here. You can see it, guys, you can see it. So let's see our 1-hour time frame. What does our 1-hour time frame have to say for us? Okay, in our 1-hour time frame, we are clear to go. Yeah, we are clear to go in our 1-hour time frame. Just waiting for price to price have already reacted to this particular change of character. Waiting for price to tap us in this particular place. This should be our entry. After seeing some confirmations, that should be our entry. Without any confirmation, we are not entering. But with some confirmations, that should be our entry. You understand, guys? Okay, nothing else. See you guys in the next video.